Hey guys, today's video is going to teach you how to get unlimited resources in Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Links in 2025. So as you can see, I got tons of stuff, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it using some crazy coupons I found. So go to ogsnags.com, and as you can see, it says Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Links free gems. So I'm going to go ahead and press get code, and as you can see guys, it says right here, get free gems and gold in Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Links, and there's 59 people that already used this site to get free gems today. That's pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and press show coupon code. It's gonna generate the code, guys. So once it generates it, I'm just gonna go ahead and press get full code. You can see it says code be revealed, so just press it and it brings you over to this page right here. And on this page, guys, we need to answer this question, and then after that, it asks for your email, sign up to get started. So obviously, put in an email address that you have access to, they'll send you the code to the email, and then after that, you might see a page like this where you gotta register. That's totally normal. And then a deal page may come up later, which is also totally normal. You can see we got this Monopoly Go one. You gotta reach board level 10, $0. This is like an app store game, so you just download it. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but that's how you get rich in the Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Links. So this is super crazy. It actually works. You can go back on the site and get more coupons as well, which is pretty funny. I think it's like one. So yeah, try this out, guys. It's super cool and it fully works. So yeah, just make sure you enter your email address right here. I just didn't want to show my email. I already did this whole process. Wasn't really interested in going through it again because I don't need anything. As you saw on my account, I'm pretty loaded. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys are interested in getting free stuff in Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Links. So I'm going to see you guys later. Tell your friends about the method. Peace out.